India's indigenous light battle tank Zorawar is the new eye-catcher. Developed in the collaboration with the Defence Research and Development Organization and Larsen & Toubro, Zorawar aims to strengthen India's defence capabilities, particularly in the challenging terrain of Ladakh. Zorawar is named after the renowned Dogra General Zorawar Singh and is a response to the strategic demands posed by Chinese deployments along the line of actual control. Weighing 25 tons, the tank boasts a 105 mm gun, active protection systems and integrated unmanned aerial vehicles, enhancing its operational versatility. This light tank, conceived under the Army's Project Zorawar, is designed for swift deployment and mobility in high-altitude areas, where heavier tanks like T-72 and T-90 face logistical challenges. It is also air transportable, fitting into Indian Air Force transport aircraft like the C-17, crucial for rapid deployment scenarios.
Indeed, a momentous day for all of us. To see the light tank in action, it makes me very happy and proud. It's indeed an example where DRDO and industry, if it works together, what we can achieve. In a short period of 2 years to 2.5 years, we have not only designed this tank, but made a first prototype. And now the first prototype will undergo development trials over the next 6 months. And then we will be ready to offer it to our users for user trials. Indeed, I am very happy today. So the user trials, usually we have to go through summer trials, then winter trials. There will also be a high altitude trials. So in my estimation, it will take about a year to 1.5 years to complete the full cycle of trials. And then the process of acquisition. So I would say that by 27 is when this first tank should get inducted. As I said, this is an example where we have worked together, we have designed it together, we have developed it together. We have what I would say expertise which is synergistic. DRDO is good in certain things, L&T is good in certain things, and working together has helped us in getting that entire gamut of skills required to make the first prototype. And that has resulted in this short development cycle.
The development of Zorawar has been accelerated, taking just 2 years from conception to initial trials, showcasing India's growing expertise in indigenous defense manufacturing. The tank's technological advancements include AI integration for enhanced surveillance and a robust active protection system, crucial for modern warfare scenarios. Initial trials conducted at L&T's Hazira plant are set to be followed by desert and high-altitude trials in Ladakh, crucial to validate Zorawar's performance under extreme conditions. The trials are expected to be completed in the next 12 to 18 months and it will be ready for induction. The tank's production is expected to ramp up with an initial batch of 59 tanks planned for induction into the Army, paving the way for a larger procurement of 295 units. Moreover, the DRDO is on the edge of developing indigenous ammunition for Zorawar, further enhancing self-resilience in defense manufacturing. These developments showcase India's commitment to modernize its armed forces and toughen its defense infrastructure amidst evolving security challenges.